Keep things simple, silly. All right, boy, I've been rocking with this band, since 1974 when they first came out. Big Kiss fan, and it's probably pretty obvious when you look at the back of my walls with the lava lamps and, well, let's see, other side, the lava lamps and the old Kiss lamps and my shirt here that somehow I don't know what I did. I must have went like this, or maybe someone, I think I got thrown out of maybe a Debbie Gibson concert or something wearing this, but looks like I need to go get another Kiss t-shirt at Walmart. And yes, believe it or not, Walmart is in Save Club. And yes, they do have fun. They even have Olivia Newton-John, Dolly Parton. I saw Bad Company and Foreigner. And yes, they have a handful of Kiss t-shirts and they sell fast. So if you're going to Walmart to pick up some of these things, all right, check it out. And if not, go to walmart.com and you can buy stuff from walmart.com. But guess what? By using Save Club, yes, of course. Get out your cell phone or just use the app and you guys will figure it out. I'm a massive fan of Save Club at this point. Even if they didn't even have an affiliate division where you can earn money and go through the process of just being an affiliate, I would use it anyway. Just like Live Good, these products over here on my little mini fridge. I'm a big fan of just putting stuff in my guts that hopefully make me have good energy. I'm almost 60, so I need to watch what I eat. And what I mean by that is when I order a big old burrito with cheese, I watch it go in my mouth. Okay? And these big old, massive calorie, I guess, lunches and dinners, well, even breakfast. God, I love cheese with eggs. Oh my God, give me Mexican food every meal. I love it. And I love healthy products. And that's how I got into this online business, is buying Live Good products wholesale. And then just encouraging people to look into being a member where I can earn commissions on people joining as a member. Well, guess what? Save Club is similar. You're going to be buying stuff anyway. I have a lot of nonsense on the walls in back of me. But yes, you guys are going to go to Home Depot and Walmart. You're going to, of course, probably go to, I don't know, let's say Burger King, Wendy's, get a Frosty, and Papa Murphy's and Papa John's, even Domino's. But SiriusXM, I saved most of my money the last 2 months on at Discount Tire. I needed a bunch of tires for several vehicles. That's a tongue twister. And most of the stuff I buy, I'm going to buy anyway. And yes, there's a lot of choices every day, what to drink and what to eat. But holy crap, holy crap. How about I say that? Why not save? All right. And if you're just barely living, I guess, paycheck to paycheck, and I read the other day that almost 7 out of 10 people are at that level. Boy, if you can save an extra $100 and the membership's only $19.97, $20. So if you spend 20 to save 100, is it worth it? Yeah, hell yeah. $80 savings, then times that by 12. And if you do have a big purchase, like I did with my tires, maybe you're going to travel somewhere, fly somewhere, sleep somewhere, go to a show. Maybe you're just going to go hiking, biking, fishing, go to Walmart. I like to use Walmart because here in America, they're everywhere. And with Walmart being a part of the Save Club family, it's a no-brainer. But there's tens of thousands. I think there's 75,000 deals in companies already, mostly here just in North America. Obviously America, here in the old U.S., Canada, Mexico. But this is an international endeavor. This is worldwide. Okay, living large in charge. All right, is that Pitbull? Living in the 404, or I can't remember his zip code there, but yeah, why not save money if you're going to fly all over this thing called Earth? A little dirt ball flying. I think we're flying through space at, I think I read 15,000 miles an hour. We're kind of like just floating in this big black thing called, is it the universe? I don't understand gravity. I don't understand life. I can't believe it. But for me to sit and talk into my webcam I bought like 5 years ago, and invite you guys to click a link to watch something that you might want to join, either as a member to save money or boom, be an affiliate and earn money. I still can't believe it. I don't know how technology works. I just know that if I look something up on Save Club and if I'm going to buy that product, I might as well save money. I just show my phone if I'm out of business or if I'm online, follow the instructions. And yes, if you have a printer, and I have a printer right offline, well, I guess not offline, but off the computer screen. I can literally print out my screen too and just take that piece of paper and present it to the business. It's really up to you. But most people in 2025, you're just going to have your cell phone and go ahead and hold it up and get your savings. Okay. We have a badass app. You're just going to simply go, this is a Sammy Sungy. So what is it? Google Play or Google Store, whatever. It's that button right there. Click it, type in Save Club, download the app. You don't even need it. If you're online, just go to saveclub.com and go to the My Deals little tab. Without the app, with or without the app, it's super easy. Search for what you want, or search for a deal, or just search your zip code or what city you're going to see if maybe there is a local bed and breakfast or a big hotel, or maybe there's flights to here so you can sleep there and go to a show here, and then maybe rent a car to drive over there. Okay, you guys have been shopping, and some of my friends are my age, where, I'm born in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, the last 50 some odd years, there's been saving clubs where you join something like a country club to go golf. You can join Netflix to watch movies. There's a lot of things you join so you can enjoy their services or save money. In this case, you're going to join and go ahead and save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. Okay. You want to be an affiliate? It's only $60. Get those 320s out. Go ahead and just join. Just do it. Let's get you 3 signups right away. That way you get your $20 back because, 20 times 360. Because you make $20 every time someone just signs up. So if you sign up with me right now, the following Friday, because we get paid every Friday, thank you. It's like you bought me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For $20, I'm not an expensive date. You give me $20, that's plenty of food somewhere. All right, I'm a big fan of eating, especially like tacos. We go to Del Taco. Oh my God, $20. I'm buying all tacos with extra cheese. And then I'm going to have to get my Live Good products out and probably have to join, I already joined a gym. Oh man, I'm going to have to work off all that cheese and tacos. But if you're like me, you're going to eat pretty much where you like to eat. You're going to drink what you want to drink. And if you're going to go somewhere, you're going to probably be addicted to me, or addicted like me. Maybe you'll be addicted to me and you'll follow me around. All right, we'll go party and rock and roll all night with Kiss. But you'll get your phone out, go, God, I gotta go to this car wash. And I honestly am. I have to wash my Hummer right now because I have a car show in a couple hours, and I got it dusty and dirty. I went up to the beautiful mountains yesterday. I went to Brighton Ski Resort. Then I went into Park City, Deer Valley. And then me and some of my great friends, we had this beautiful Mexican restaurant we ate at. And yeah, you get your phone out and just go, okay, wherever I'm going, is there deals? Just type it in. Within like 5 seconds, if you have good cell service, boom, everything's going to tell you right away, is there a deal or not? And if there's not, no problem. But if there is, it's just as simple as me showing my screen. There's nothing else to do in Save Club. As a member, it couldn't be any easier. And as an affiliate, pay the $60. I'm going to send you an email. I'm going to invite you to 2 of the biggest groups. I want you to learn how to market. We have thousands of pictures for you to upload. We have videos everywhere, almost 1,000 at this point, where you can upload. So if you're shy and don't want to do videos like I'm doing, don't worry about it. We got plenty of content and materials. We have live Zoom meetings, webinars, whatever you want to call them. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Of course, I record them all, and so does the company. And you can just watch them when you want. You don't have to do things live. We're worldwide. I understand, as I cough here for some reason. Japan has a whole different time zone than me. They're 15 hours ahead. I'm in Utah on Mountain Time. An hour back is California. A couple hours ahead of me is New York. But we're not just a United States company. We're going to be in every city, state, and country. Now, we're only 30 days old. Today, happy birthday. You're 1 month old, Save Club, because today is June 30th. And I think next month it has 31 days. So I think this is the end of the June of 2025 era. Tomorrow we're skipping into July. So we're 1 month old. And what I've learned is there's about 75,000 deals already. Because we have businesses, they just have to go log into saveclub.com, go to the My Deals page, and at the very bottom you can submit your business. So yeah, if you do have a badass business, I have a friend here that owns a tanning salon. I have a couple friends that own 2 car washes. They're already in Save Club. And I guess I do talk about being a member and being an affiliate, but I need to promote too that if you have a badass business, If it's $1 billion business, awesome. And if you're just a small business, local, get in. Come on. Plenty of people are going to find you. All they're going to do is put in a zip code and they're going to find you. And you're probably going to get a lot of new business by offering people a deal. And it's up to you what the deal is. You got to get approved. So you're just going to join Save Club, log into the My Deals page. It's easy. And I'll help you out if you want to email me, or you guys go figure it out. We even have customer service. If you go to support@saveclub.com, boom, they'll give you a link. Go ahead and submit. Let's get your business in. But let's get you saving money too. But be an affiliate. Spend the $60. Please earn money too. There's nothing wrong with earning money. And it's pretty darn cool when friends of mine, and even I call them Facebook friends. I might not ever meet them, but I have quite a nice group of friends all over the world because of social media. And it's fun when they go, hey, thanks. The Save Club thing is kind of cool. I just wanted to say hi, high five from far away, long distance, high five, monitor to cell phone screen, snap. Okay. It feels good. I'm not trying to sell you potions and lotions and MLM this and shampoo that's $80 that's worth 8 cents. That's not what Save Club is. I invite you to join. And if you want to save money, great. And if you don't, no big deal. If you want to earn money as an affiliate, I just want you to join my teams. I belong to 2 of the biggest teams in Save Club. We dominate the leaderboard. Okay. I think by joining a team, you're going to have a better success rate. And I mean by people looking at your content, clicking, watching short videos already made, and then joining as a member and an affiliate. That's what I specialize in. And buying KISS stuff. So, and stretching the collar. It bugs me. I still don't know what I did. I must have slept violently or something. I did something weird with my KISS shirt here. But anyway, guys, thank you for your time. It looks like I'm at 12 minutes. I could go on for 2 hours and 12 minutes when it comes to this company. I think you'll find it easy, simple. There's a lot of done for you this and done for you that. The website's done. The capture pages are done. There's so many pictures. It'd take 5 hours to go through all of our pictures alone, let alone video. Okay. It needs to be simple. Keep it simple, silly. Keep it simple, Stan. Keep it simple, syphilis. I don't know what the S is. You just figure it out. There's Peter Chris there going, what are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. He hadn't been in KISS forever. He's probably taking a nap right now, counting his money. But anyway, let's save money. You got $60. Let's get you into your affiliate division. You got that $19.97? Awesome. So $79.97, $80. Let's just see what we can do. I want you set up fast, and I want you just learning and earning. You can earn while you learn. This isn't something where you take a month or two and study and you get an A and then you go make money. That's not how this works. You can make money today. All right, guys, let me show you 2 links, and I'll leave you with this. Joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to get more information or to join. Just follow the instructions. Super easy. If you've already joined Save Club and you're stuck, okay, you don't know what to do and you didn't join a team, at least just spend $25 and get this funnel, because then I can get you into my team and you can start learning and earning and just doing things that will blow your mind away. This is probably the best opportunity for zero experience and people that have no idea what is going on with this online business thing. All right. That's why I love this company. So Save Club Funnels, just remember the S, saveclubfunnels.com. Here's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Contact me anytime, guys. Even if you're not in my group, I don't care. I'll help you. Okay, let me help you out. There's the 2 links, and that is it. My work is done, and it looks like I'm going to come in under 15 minutes, and that's a good thing. So if you're on YouTube, go ahead and just subscribe to my channel. I try to do 3 to 5 videos a day just on Save Club. All right, and if I don't do videos for a day or so, it usually means it's the weekend and I'm screwing off. So anyway, I got a car show to produce here soon, and I got Debbie Gibson for real, that 80s pop star, Shake Your Love, and In My Dreams. I'm going to go to that tonight in my KISS t-shirt and rock out. I was going to say rock out with my blank out, but I can't say that or my YouTube video will go, yeah. So peace, love, thank you. All right, thank you for your time. Okay. And go ahead and have a good day. Sound good? All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you next video. Okay, bye.